Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Well, my wisdom warriors, me did have to run out, but quick and fast. Yes, because appear things going on right now in the country. Pure things, my wisdom warriors. Una can't believe so the police them a fight the taxi operators. Una can't believe that. But before me get into that, here where the one Daryl Vaz him decide to run out and a chat off him out say. Just hear this. So, Transport Minister Daryl Vaz says the impact of today's protest by transport operators has been moderate. He says political motivations or a lack of communication between lobbies and their members may be driving the strike. Operators are upset about the license suspension regime. Yeah? So basically he's saying right now, Vaz wonders whether transport operators strike politically motivated. You hear this shithouse, man? Una hear this man? This shithouse, everything they come at. Seriously, let me ask you a question, Daryl Vaz, yeah? The question I would like to ask you, the 20,000 people license them wanna take away, are they all PNP? Are they all PNP? Me say, this a man I want blows and skirt fool, This a man I see, Daryl Vaz, I want fool, my wisdom warriors. I really that this, This a man here, come out, have the audacity if you come out and a chat off in crayfish mouth. You can't believe this? You can't believe this, man here. Me want to know the people them a protest, the people them a strike. Peacefully, the people them a strike. And Daryl Vaz have the audacity to come out and a wonder if it's political motivated. So I want to know if the 20,000 license where them are going to take away wait there, are only PNP. Is it only PNP license alone them are take away? That me want to know. No, sister, una idiot, man. Andrew Owen's administration need to lift up, They need for dismantle, my wisdom warriors. Nothing a joke thing. Them a people are warmonger, Andrew Owen's administration are warmonger. From your ear, Daryl Vaz come out and talk about political motivated. What kind of political motivation you talk about now? Tell me if this a money makes sense. This a money makes sense, my wisdom warriors. Talk truth. Wanna stamp up the comment section and make me know if this a money makes sense. This a money makes sense. This a money no make no sense. Because you have Labourite and PNP up on the road. And right now you have Labourite a strike and PNP a strike. Both parties. So me not understand where Daryl Vaz go. When they not have nothing for chat, say. When they not have nothing for chat, only thing you know for chat about are people business and in a people married life. That's all in good for in a people personal life. Daryl Vaz say right here, some of my wisdom warriors. This is why the taxi operator they must strike. And I can't chat about it is moderate. It is not moderate. And just because certain place, listen, and everywhere the media houses them there, A whole heap of places all over Jamaica are protesting, A whole heap of people are strike right now in my wisdom warriors. You understand me? So me don't know what them always a come out and make themselves look good. And make themselves look good. And then they send out them Labourite police boy, them and girl them, if you come fight off a taxi operator. Hey, Jamaica, I want to know if you wise up in Jamaica. You know see what going on in our country. You know see how Andrew Owenless a deal with the people them. And them send out the police boy them, For this taxi operator, And hey, you have some people too. You know here, wait there. Me need to address the citizen. You know here say, taxi a go on strike. Una never hear. So if taxi a go on strike, what una fi do? Una supposed to tell una workplace that taxi is going on strike. So una workplace can send vehicle for una. Una nobody come out and come make no problem. From una hear say taxi dey on strike, una workplace for make sure say them prepare for this. And una prepare for this. Una nobody come out and come make no strive. You understand me? Because the whole of you well and know what go down. And then now Andrew Holness administration come out and send out Labourite police them to come fight off the taxi operator them. Where you think say only PNP taxi operator out there? Both parties out there. Labourite and PNP. But it just hard for Uno. All when Uno knows that the people them upset with Uno. The people them upset with Uno. The people they don't want Andrew Holness administration no more. Nobody don't want it. Because only thing Uno do is promise, promise, promise. That's all them come out and do. I want to take the taxi operator them for big fool and big clown. That's why them have to put on their foot. So when Daryl Vaz come out and run off in 33, it just don't make no sense. It just not add up. You're just doing things to look good, Daryl Vaz. I need to stop it. And the thing is, you see, right now the way you behave, because from all weeks and months, you're in a people life. You're in a Marky G life, not doing your job. You need to get fire. Because if you did do your job, the taxi operator, they will not strike today. You hear me? The taxi operator, them will not strike today if you did do your duty. But you're up underneath Mark Golding personal life. You're up underneath it. And your job is spoiled. They need to fire your nasty ass. And that they need to do. Boy, you come out and chat about political motivated beer shit. If I'm misinformation or politically motivated. When you come out and attack people, them, when you whole on the administration come out and attack Marky G dual citizenship, attacking Mark Golding family, attacking Mark Golding wife, you know that's a political motivation. You never know that. You favor some shit. Hey, now make me this no. Don't make me this no because you don't like it. You don't like it. You really upset me. Really upset me. Me know so this never there go smooth, you know. Because you have some dirty stinking Labourite police boy and police girl, you know. They ain't get sent out, you know, my wisdom warriors. For disrespect taxi operators, you know. The whole of them for good on, you know. The whole of them are fool boy, you know. The whole of them. That's why you see enough of them. You see enough of them going the police force and going the soldier force to become killer. Enough of them are murderer. Enough of them are thief and scammer. Enough of them feel lift up and go away. We don't rate on the boy. We don't rate none of you. None of you we don't rate. But you come out and come fight off the taxi operator them. And enough of you know the government and pay you. And enough of you come out and come beg taxi operator money for buy food. And that enough of you do. Enough of you scammer too. Me say grieve me and my wisdom warriors. I Labourite them, you know, Andrew Holness administration send them out. No, me here out a road I say, how them I say fi lock him up and all them something there. Administration, Labourite them. Want lock up out a road. Me tell us that there's no freedom of speech. Jamaican people, me want to open up on the ears, you know. And open up on the eye. Just imagine Andrew Holness turn Jamaica in a republic. Dog, I got name on the supper. I want to think a joke thing. You must think this a joke thing. When you say we come out and I encourage you and I give you advice, you think say a joke thing. Wait till Andrew Holness done with you, man. They say Andrew Holness come out on platform and tell pure lie for your prime minister. That man come out and me tell him, man, it grieve me heart. It grieve me heart. Then I like Jamaican people. I sound like a dopey about and I sound like a fool feel for see. My wisdom warriors, when me come out and me I tell you, say, there's an agenda behind all of this. There's an agenda behind all of this. And I think a joke me I make. You know, say me always do my research. So you know, say, Uber expands to Montego Bay, introduces Uber taxi. Yes, it depend Google. It they all over. We come like you no know what go on. They always distract us, my wisdom warriors, so we can't concentrate on the real issues. And that them always do. I distract people. But me tell you, say, half of the press, I want somebody who can distract. You not even know when you do no distraction. It just motivate me more to find out things. You stay there and keep on top of things. So my wisdom warriors, you see this one me I go tell you about now? Talk Your Mind have been telling you guys about this for over 2 years now. Me hear Talk Your Mind I tell you now. If you watch Talk Your Mind and hear Talk Your Mind talking about this, or put it in the comment section. Over 2 years, me here talking about one all the taxi driver them. Over 2 years, my wisdom warrior. So in the article it stated, Following its successful debut in Kingston in 2021, Uber has extended its availability in Jamaica to the resort Mecca of Montego Bay. Uno listen good, you know. Okay. So taxi operator, me tell you no, so only in a trouble, you know. Me tell you no. But Talk Your Mind have been saying it to you from a very long time. About 2 years now, me here Talk Your Mind. Them time them not blog yet. Them time the mood that blogging not even upon my mind, my wisdom warriors. But me always watch Talk Your Mind and listen to him. Yeah? Seriously. So me want to know, say, everything we see them do is a distraction for bringing them Uber. That them always do. Just like how they distract we and us change up Nesta Morgan and everybody. And that them do. They have a strategy. We have to watch out for them. Them a Jamaica Labour Party people here. So let me keep on reading. So it said, following its successful debut in Kingston in 2021, Uber has extended its availability in Jamaica to the resort Mecca of Montego Bay and introduced a new option called Uber Taxi. Wanna hear that? Hey. Wanna hear that? I hear Talk Your Mind. I tell you this, you know. From 2 years now, you know, my wisdom warriors. Over 2 years now. I hope you not take note. The move reflects the tech company's commitment to enhancing mobility and supporting tourism and the local economy. Wanna hear that? That have to support the tourism and the local economy. The Uber taxi is now, listen Jamaica, wanna share this with your neighbor, wanna share this with your friend. The Uber taxi is now available in parts of Hanover, Westmoreland. Hey, Lord Jesus. Wanna see what's going on? I hope Daryl Valls regulate the service. I hope Daryl Valls put a regulatory frame in place. I hope he did. I hope he put regulation in place for the safety of the people. Them, because them a man not think about safety, you know. Them a man don't know nothing about safety. None of them don't know nothing about safety. None of them my wisdom warriors. Wanna hear more because this will get more interesting. Also, Uber Taxi is now available in St. James, Trelawney, and St. Anne's. Wanna hear that? So right now, in a Mobile, Hanover, Westmoreland, St. James, Trelawney, and St. Anne's, my wisdom warrior, Uber Taxi. Me telling you, so they distract people them for bringing things. This is what they do. This is their strategy. This is why you see them a talk about 20,000 license I got take away because they know what them a do. Because them a have their Uber taxi and that I go mess up a taxi driver them. I not believe that is right. I don't believe that is right. If they want to do something like Uber, all the taxi driver them what them have, they if you go in partnership with the taxi driver them and ask them if they're interested for the Uber. Uno not just bring in uno Uber. Hey, me I tell you about these people. Them a people here, man. Them different. Jamaica Labour Party. Then different, my wisdom warrior. What money Andrew Wallace make? What money that man make right now? Hey, Lord Jesus. Hear more. Jamaica is a tourist hotspot, and we believe that the app's availability in Montego Bay and other areas in Jamaica is an exciting move. When I hear that, our government has said this, you know. Other day when they're in a House of Parliament, and I hear them mention nothing about no Uber, you know. Other day when Andrew Holness are doing conference yesterday, you know, hear him mention nothing about Uber, you know. We hear, what him name? Daryl Valls come out and talk about how some youth set up by PNP and get pay. Yeah, if you can't disrespect him. In a talk nothing about the Uber taxi, you know. Be a people business and in a people life. That's all Daryl Valls come out and do. In a people business, my wisdom warriors. And these are the things. Me telling you, said there was an agenda behind it. Me telling you, you know, Talk Your Mind have been telling you guys for nearly 2 years now. Talk Your Mind, I warn the people them at Jamaica and see now. Wanna see what happened? Now, the government is saying how Jamaica is a tourist hotspot and we believe that the app's availability in Montego Bay and other areas in Jamaica is an exciting move. With both Uber X, wanna hear that? They all have option, you know. Wanna stay there, wanna all have option. Uber X and Uber taxi options, rotted hole. We believe We believe it will help to boost the economy recovery and tourism, and this is something we are committed to. But wait there, how many here? What him name? Edmund Bartley. No wonder why Edmund Bartley was so excited about the amount of billions them where they receive. Edmund Bartlett come out and make speech and say nothing about Uber. Nothing say about Uber. Me not understand this. What kind of government is this? What kind of chaka government this? This a government a real chaka, you know. And after what? Had happened to that teacher? One thinks that this is a good move. You see how them do them thing, my wisdom warriors, they not tell it people them, you know, of Jamaica, nothing, you know. And we have to come tell on, you know, we the bloggers. And no, me not say none of they read the mouthpiece come out and say nothing about it. I'm sure they know about it. So how we not see them a run out with nothing? Something not right, my wisdom warriors. Something not right. So for everybody that has just joined my premiere live, just to let you guys know that the government have launched Uber taxi with different options in Jamaica. Now it is in Montego Bay, Hanover, Westmoreland, St. Andrew. I can't remember the other place right now, my wisdom warriors, but it is in a few places, mostly the tourist area, mostly, because it's just a money-making thing. So this is why I say, you see, all of the taxi operator were running at the tourism area. I'm sorry for uno. Me tell you about the Jamaica Labour Party, but uno no want listen. Because uno thinks the Jamaica Labour Party have uno best interest at heart. Sorry to say, it's not like that. Everything Andrew Holness is doing, there's an agenda behind it. So my wisdom warriors, let we continue reading. So my wisdom warriors, the government of Jamaica is explaining how how Uber taxi work and what can you learn from Uber taxi. So Uber taxi is the fusion of traditional mobility and modern technology, benefiting taxi drivers and users. It's tailored for tourists, offering the familiarity of traditional taxi services combined with the safety and technological advancement of Uber. Shared Carolina Cota, Senior Communication Manager for Uber in the Caribbean and Central America. We are excited to join forces with Uber to transform the experience for tourists. By integrating Uber's advanced technology, our drivers will enjoy enhanced safety and increase earnings on every ride. My wisdom warriors, taxi drivers, if anybody know no taxi drivers, wanna send them this. Everybody need to know what is going on. Because the one of them come out and read out their budget. And you know, hear nobody mention nothing about Uber. Nobody. This is a joke thing, you know, my wisdom warriors. A chaka government, this, you know, really chaka. This partnership marks a significant step in elevating how tourists move in Montego Bay, said Greg Connell, president of the Montego Bay Maxi Taxi Association. I never know so they have association named Maxi Taxi. Lord Jesus. When I hear all these things, am I wisdom warrior? And when Daryl Vaz them ready, them no know nothing. Them never know nothing yet. Never know nothing. I hope them put all regulation in place. I hope they do that. That's a number one. Because you see for me, the safety of the Jamaican people is very important. We know it's not important to the government, you know, but important to we the bloggers. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, so the Uber taxi also ensures that Uber's safety tools are available for both users and taxi drivers, including trusted contacts, PIN code, ride check, and audio recording. It has been touted as the go-to option for tourists. Uber taxi is a collaboration between Uber. I want to listen good, you know, because this is breaking news and my wisdom warrior. Uber Taxi is a collaboration between Uber and the Montego Bay-based Maxi Taxi Association. Users will now be able to request taxi services from contract carriage drivers affiliated with Maxi Taxi easily via the Uber app. So right now, una go see Uber up, una go check on the phone right now because it is active. Go up, all Jamaicans, everybody that is tuning in, I would like you to go on your phone right now and type in Uber up and see if it come up. See if it come up. This is serious thing in my wisdom warriors. Me tell you, say there's them have an agenda. There's something behind all of this. What you see them a do. Them know what them a do. Because me tell you, they want to take a taxi driver them off the road because they have their Uber things plan. Uber ride them plan long time. So they want 20,000 taxi operators to lose them job. Them people are wicked in my wisdom warriors. And people are defend Andrew Wellness administration. This is a shame, me I tell you. This is a disgrace. This is a disgrace. And just imagine 20,000 people not have no job right now. You know what? They mess up me and all right. They mess up me and all right. My wisdom warriors, this not right. My wisdom warriors, the Gleaner put out this the 7th of February 2024, earlier this year, and stated the Transport Authority says contract carriers in Montego Bay, St. James have stated that they have no agreement with Uber for the provision of services under the technology company Uber Taxi option. When I hear them something, you know, this came out in the Gleaner on the 7th of February 2024. My wisdom warriors, and everything you see in the paper, talk truth. Because look now, okay, this is from the 7th of February, 2024, see them and make sure me go and check it myself. This is pan the Gleaner website, me get this offer. In a media release on Wednesday, the authority said it met with contract carriage groups from across the country who indicated that an offer is on the table, but that it is being reviewed. Uber recently stated that Uber Taxi, which is now available in parts of Hanover, Westmoreland, St. James, Trelawney, and St. Ann, is a collaboration with the Montego Bay-based Maxi Taxi Association. So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear this here? All right. Me telling you say, anytime I see the government come out and I blame, notice, anytime I hear them I blame things from the PNP, notice, boom, they go through with something. Them always go through with something. And them, I hope them are regulate. I hope they regulate this service, because it is already up and people are using it. So everybody that watch me, that watch Hot Off of the Press, I would like you guys to go on your Google and just Google it and Google will tell you. Also, try to download the app there and tell me. Put it in the comment section. My wisdom warriors, this is so real. When me tell you, say this is so real. It is so real. And your wellness, them have a strategy. Them start distracting people, them start blame the PNP, them, and then boom, they just go through with them things. And that them do, I saw them operate. I hope they regulate the service. I hope they really do so. Elsewhere, a lot of people lives are going to last. Sorry to say, but if the government no regulate the service, a whole heap of people are going to go missing. Whole heap more. And I'm advising the Jamaican people on stick to who you know. Stick to who you know. My wisdom warriors, tell me how you feel about this. Tell me what you think about it and put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, you can run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Also, guys, if you want to support my movement, you can bless up my PayPal. The link I go there in the comment section. Blessings upon blessings. One love.